One.
Hello and welcome to today's Business Bulletin. Today we're looking at the 5th anniversary celebrations of the Islamic Bank of Britain. The bank, which is based in Birmingham, is the first and only standalone Islamic retail bank in Europe. It specialises in financial products aimed at Muslims, such as specialist savings and mortgage accounts. Our reporter Tom Scotney has been following the fortunes of the bank for the last few years. So Tom, how has the bank done over the 5 years it's been in existence?
Well, in terms of consumers, very well. It started off with in the region of 15,000 people using its banking services. Since then, it's nearly tripled that over the time. So there's obviously a demand for that. I mean, I think some of the wilder claims about number of people who are starting to use purely Islamic financial services maybe been overstated, but it's still it's obviously a growing trend. I think the big problem for IBB is that they're still operating at a loss, and that loss has actually grown. The last time they announced results, which was back in September, they predicted that things wouldn't get better in the Islamic money markets until sometime next year. I think the big problems we've seen out in Dubai, which are all based on an Islamic bond, mean that even those predictions might turn out to be a bit optimistic.
And just how big is the Islamic finance sector in the UK financial sector?
I think it is a big part. I mean, it's taken a while, but people are finally starting to realise that there's a significant number of consumers that are interested in this. I think part of the problem that is, though, that it's going to be it's always going to be a bit of a niche product. I think it's not going to be something that's accepted by the wider financial world. So I think for a long time this is something, particularly in the UK, it's going to be confined to consumer and retail banking rather than going any further.
Thanks, Tom. Well, that's all from us today. See you again tomorrow for another Business Bulletin.
One.